Now we move to the key of D, and Slash comes in with his solo and starts off like this. So we'll start with this kind of country flavored idea. We're going to hold the 10th fret of the top 2 strings while bending 9 on the G string up a whole step. So we'll do that 3 times and then release, followed by 7 on the G, 10 on the B, and then repeat that. Now we're going to outline an F sharp minor arpeggio. That's 11G, 10B, 9 on the high E. Now we're going to bend a whole step from 12 on the high E string, and we're going to grab 12 on the B string and then release the bend. Followed by 10 to 12 on the B. Stay with the 12th fret of the B string, bend up a whole step, release the bend, pulling off to the 10th fret, followed by 11 on the G string twice. So here's what we've done so far.